Why do I look disgusting? Dye sitting on top of it, and then I don't wash my hair again. And then I'm worried too though that when I get in the shower this time, these nails are probably gonna fall off. The carb overload. Excuse me, cheese it. Hey! You can see like every single one of his little claws. Okay, well, one fell out, so Harry Potter, we'll do the other ones later. Literally like a puddle in my hand. Let's maybe not use this today. You guys know I hate stuff that's in a jar. Yeah. I just don't like putting in braids when it's like really, really wet. It's been a long day. I think I might be behind, but I'm not sure. Wicked. Excuse me, sir. Yay, it's a girl. Come this far. Oh, it's like a quick little like magnesium drink to go to sleep. And this it for vlogmas day 11. Muchísimas gracias for watching this video for today for the 11th day of the vlogmas, and I'm gonna go to sleep. Goodbye.